Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so you can isolate the problem fast. Make sure the device has power, peripherals are connected, and you note any recent driver or app installs that correlate with the issue. Once done, boot into safe mode via Settings Update and Security Recovery, or use Shift plus Restart. This disables third-party drivers so you can test core functionality. You'll see whether the problem persists with only Microsoft services, which helps decide if it's software or hardware related. Next, perform targeted diagnostics to pinpoint causes. Open Device Manager to spot faulty drivers and Event Viewer to read error timestamps. Resource Monitor shows CPU, disk, and network bottlenecks. Then repair system files by running sfc/scano, and if needed dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These replace corrupted components. If a driver or app matches the timeline, roll back or uninstall it and test. Make sure to try a system restore point before broad changes so you can revert quickly. Finally, secure your data and apply recovery options. Back up important files and create a recovery drive. If issues remain, use Reset this PC, choosing Keep Files or remove everything as appropriate. Once restored, update Windows and device drivers to prevent recurrence and verify stability by running typical tasks and benchmarks. If problems persist, collect Event Viewer logs, DXDiag, and driver versions, then contact support or perform a clean install. One key tip: if a clean install still fails, investigate hardware like RAM or SSD next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.